everybody. I was just gonna say guess what? Good morning. It is currently 9:05 in the morning. Charlotte and I just woke up. Funny thing is, she woke up at 4 this morning and did not want to go back to sleep. Not one bit. So we chilled, and then all of a sudden 5 o'clock in the morning happened and Ben woke up, and I'm like, really? Like, everybody sleeps until at least 7:30 or 7 o'clock in the morning in this house. We're all up at 5 in the morning. So if you guys are Facebook friends with me on Facebook, with, you know, I have a link. You have to read one of the comments. I'm not gonna mention it in the video, but otherwise you guys can private message me if you want to know. But it's about something I was talking about the other day. It was a joke. It's just a hilarious joke, but definitely read what I posted on Facebook if you guys are Facebook friends with me, because yeah, you have to go like the last post and then the post previous to that, because it's just hilarious. So get that out of my mind. But yeah, it is 9:06 in the morning. Graham went to work early. I don't know what time he went to work early, but he did, so he can be back early. I'm gonna put a bunch of stuff in the van, and we just need to get out of here. We need to get out of town. So we're just gonna go drop off some stuff, donations, so I can get some stuff, more room in the basement. Oh, we'll go for a car ride today, yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do this morning is, you know, go through, get dressed. You want more milk? Okay, give me 1 second. I'm gonna get dressed, we're gonna have some breakfast, and then I'm gonna start carrying stuff in the van so we can go drop it off, because we just need to get out of the house, right? No? Okay. So, I will catch you guys back in a little bit. My camera's about to die, so I gotta change my battery because I forgot to do that the last 2 times I've been on my camera. But I will see you guys in a bit. We'll have a successful... So it's currently 11:06. Charlotte went down for a nap about 45 minutes ago. I had to hurry up and pop in the shower because I have 3 packages that I gotta mail out, and they don't fit my mailbox. So I have to like stalk the mail lady. Usually you can hear her coming when she's in our neighborhood because our like muffler's like really loud, which is awesome because then when I'm wherever in the house I can hear her come. So that's awesome. So I got those 3 packages right there to mail out. So that is what I gotta catch up on. Right now I'm just picking up a bunch of stuff. Charlotte is at that age where she just digs all my movies out. She digs all the diapers out. So I'm just picking up all that stuff right now. I'm picking up all the garbage. Yeah. She has a whole box of Kleenexes that she just ripped out of the box. So I'm gonna pick all those up. And then I'm gonna sit down and have a breakfast. And then once I get done having my breakfast, I'm gonna go downstairs and grab at least 3 or how many boxes I have of stuff to donate. So we're gonna just leave the house. The kids badly need to go for a car ride. Ben's like, Mom, can I go for a car ride? And I'm like, yeah, you can go for a car ride. So that is what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm gonna try to work on the basement today. I might not. I'm gonna definitely do a load of laundry. That is my goal for the day. And put it away is my goal. So that's one positive thing. I'm run the dishwasher right now. I'm gonna take some trash out to the garbage, but you know what? I'm just gonna have a nice day. I'm gonna get some stuff done. I'm pretty excited. Like, I'm just excited that I got my cups out, you guys. Like, I kind of want to make business cards, and I should probably do that, but you know, I'm gonna probably do that because then I can start, you know, doing more craft things here and there. But yes, Charlotte dug out the ribbon that I had, and Miss Paris is like, oh, I'm getting a tan. Don't bother me while I'm getting my tan. Yeah, Graham's mom got Charlotte this ribbon for her birthday present, and I just love it. It's like, I gotta do something with that, even if I make it in a wreath. But Paris is just chilling. I'm gonna vacuum today too. That's my goal, isn't it, Paris? She can't hear me, but she just loves this. Yes, she does, my little princess. Yeah, so that is what is going on right now, you guys. But I will catch you back in a bit. I'm hungry. I'm gonna have some cereal because I just have been craving cereal again. And yeah, so let's get you guys. It is 1:19. And I am leaving the house to go drop some stuff off because I just need the kids to get out of the house. We just need to go for a little ride. So that is what we're doing. We're gonna go drop some stuff off. And then I'm gonna get some food for the kids. And then Graham says he'll be home around 5:30. And he's calling me right now. So we went to Starbucks because I didn't want to get out of the car. And the Starbucks that I went to, funny thing is, every time I go there, there's at least 10 to 20 cars in line for the drive-thru. I know, it's crazy. I'm like, seriously, it's not worth it. So I was gonna drive by there, and if there's gonna be a long line, I wasn't gonna go to it. But I get there, and there's only 3 cars in front of me, or 2 cars in front of me. I mean, I drove up right to the window, and I asked her, I says, do you have any of the regular Starbucks cups? And she says, yes, we do. And I said, do you have any of the confetti cups? And she's like, yes, I think we do. So they were looking for them for me and everything, and if you guys get those cups, they charge more at Starbucks than if you go to Target. So now I know. But I got a bunch of them because a lot of you guys like the confetti cups. I found a really cool thing that I want to get. I got to order more vinyl. And then I got some of like the regular ones because I'm going to do a couple projects different than that too. So I got 5 of each. And then, yeah. So we got that. Plus I got my drink, and she's like, oh, you get a free drink. Do you want to use it? Or do you want to get it? And I'm like, yeah, sure. Well, little did I know, it cost me 150 of my points to get this drink for free. If I was gonna use that, I would have gotten the bigger drink, but I wanted to save my points up to get a free cup. But not a big deal. It was 150 points. Like if I didn't use those points, I only would have needed to spend like another 10 bucks, and I would have had 400 points. But that's okay. That's okay. But anytime you guys go to Starbucks, definitely get yourself a gift card and put it on your things so you guys can get free things. So pretty excited for that. Like I said, I want to start this project that I want to do, but I can't right now because I don't have the supplies. I'm still waiting for my package. It's not supposed to be here till Monday. I'm hoping it gets here tomorrow. I don't know, but it is currently 3:06. Charlotte, I just put her down for a nap. But yeah, we went to the place to drop off our donations. I had 4 or 5 boxes, and they don't want you out of the car. They'll open your trunk up, grab everything, and you're good to go. So that's fine with me. And then I just got some stuff at Wendy's. I seriously need to make a video of how I get free food. I need to do that. I really need to do that because there's just so many things that you guys can get free food at. Like McDonald's, I get free food all the time. Chick-fil-A, I used to. They changed their app, so I don't as much. Wendy's, they have an app, but I haven't used it yet. But they have a thing where you guys can get free food. So I'm gonna definitely work on a video for that. Yeah, we're watching Abominable right now, but yeah, I definitely need to make a video of that. I need to make more other videos, you guys. Like, just this whole virus thing, I've just been in a slump where I just don't want to do anything. Like, I have so much, I mean, beforehand I used to go shopping all the time and do all these videos, but I've told you guys, if you guys watch my videos in the past, I don't always want my videos just to be about shopping. You know, not everybody can get out and go shopping. Like, I always see, you know, people post this video, go, run, run, run. It's like, it's not worth me just going to run to one store. Like, I'm a person, even though I live 20 minutes from Madison, 15 minutes tops, I'm a person who doesn't go and get every single little deal. I'm a person who likes to go, when I go to town, I like to go to a bunch of stores at once. And now with, you know, everything the way it is, I don't bring my children there at all. It's just not worth it. But like I said, I don't want my channel to be pretty much all couponing. It's mostly about, you know, just random stuff, and that's why I have it random. But it's mostly about, you know, saving money. Crafting is saving money. Cooking food at your house saves money. Like, there's people who get fast food all the time. Not judging you. It adds up. Grandma and I used to get fast food or eat out all the time, and it adds up. So that's just basically kind of what my channel is about. Is just saving money. But yeah, but I need to get out of my slump and just start making more videos. But I don't know, I just want other things to do first before it, but that's okay, because summer's coming up, you guys, and summer, people are busy. They're not going to be sitting here watching constantly all these videos, you know, on certain things. And, you know, that's fine. You know, I'm subscribed to a lot of people, but I only watch some people every single time they post a video, and some people I rarely watch their videos. So it just depends on, you know, what's going on. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. But I am going to, I think I'm going to work on a cup. Since I got the stuff that I wanted.
To put a colorful arrow thing, and it'll show you the download all kinds of games and stuff.
Yeah, games. But okay, so I'm probably just gonna sit and chill. I'm gonna see if Ben will let me play his thing, because I want to play the Inside Out game. Can I play the Inside Out game? Can I play the Inside Out when you're done?
Okay.
Okay. So I will catch you guys back in a bit. Graham will be home in about 2-ish hours, so that is fine. I'm just letting the dishwasher dry. My dishwasher doesn't dry all the way. I don't know why, so I just kind of let it air out because I don't like having all that wetness in there. But I will catch you guys back in a bit. Graham wants to go get Potbellies. There's a really cool deal. Now, if you guys know what Potbellies is, it's a sandwich place. I don't know when the date ends on it, but I've been seeing it where they have a family deal where you guys can get 4 subs, 4 chips, and 4 cookies for 20 bucks. Pretty good deal. Because usually their subs are about $7, $8 a piece. So Graham and I said, yeah, we're definitely going to do that. I've been wanting to go to Costco during this whole lockdown. So he said I could run inside Costco real quick. Hopefully, I got to get a couple things here and there. So we will see how that goes. But I will catch you guys back in a bit. Hey guys, it is 4:45 and we're going to go swimming because water's like perfect. The weather's like perfect. Charlotte's like, I'm ready to go.
What are you doing, darling? Are you in the pool? Da, 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 da. Benny Pooh's in the pool.
I'm gonna show Mom. Mom's doing the video.
What do you get? Show him how much you can squirt it away. Whoa.
Ah.
Cool. And Charlotte's just like, splash, splash, splash.
Show
what you're doing.
Roller ball. Watch this next video. Bye-bye.
No, not bye-bye.
The next stop to Charlotte.
Oh no!
Yeah.
One thing I do like about this pool, we have a little slanted hill in our backyard. So Ben's in the deep end and Charlotte and I are in the shallow end. I would like to sit in the deep end, but she's a little afraid of the water. Waving hi!
And then,
yes! Oh, Ben's gonna show you something else?
comment down below on Mama's videos. Bye-bye.
Hey you guys, so it is currently 9:35. Yeah, we went to Potbellies today because they had a really cool deal where you can get 4 sandwiches, 4 cookies, and 4 bags of chips for 20 bucks. That is such a better deal than if Graham and I went and bought 2 sandwiches, because buying 4 sandwiches alone would have been $24. So technically we got 3 sandwiches for that price, and then everything else is free. So if you guys ever like Potbellies, which is a sandwich place, order it online and do the family deal because it's awesome. So I'm like, Graham, next time we ever get Potbellies, I'm definitely doing the family deal because then we have 2 other sandwiches to use for the future. So we got that going on. And then we went to Costco and we ended up bringing the kids in with us because everybody else was having their kids in, but we had Ben wear a mask and he sat in the cart the whole time. And we ended up getting a lot of stuff. Like I says, Graham, we haven't really gone grocery shopping in a long time, and we haven't been like really shopping. It was so weird, you know, we kept our distance and everything, and they were sprayed on the carts. But it was like so weird, you know, going into a store bringing the kids, but there was other people who had their kids with. But we ended up getting some stuff. I got some green grapes. Now I like green grapes, but I rarely eat them because I don't know, there's just something about it that I get grossed out about. I'm like, why do I do that? So I ended up getting 4 pounds of green grapes, and then I chopped some up in little pieces for Miss Charlotte to eat, and then I got her some pouches. She likes the apple pouches, and then I got her some of like fruit pouches. So I got those for her. And then I got some graham crackers because they were cheaper at Costco. It was like $7.99 for 4 boxes, which is a pretty good deal because usually there's like $3 or something if I went to the grocery store and bought some graham crackers. So we've got that, and then I ran into Menards and I got my stuff that I needed for my project. So I'm hoping Graham and I can work on that this weekend. I gotta do some plexiglass and stuff. So if we can do that, then we can work on that video right away. But other than that, you know, we just had a nice fun time sitting in the pool right when I finished filming with you guys. Graham came home and we just sat in the pool for like a half an hour. Wasn't much, you know, but just sitting, relaxing in a tiny little pool, but we still had plenty of room for all of us, plus even more. So I said, Graham, we're gonna definitely do it tomorrow too. But he has to go to work tomorrow night. He has to go to work at 5 p.m. till 1 o'clock in the morning. And he's like, are you okay with that? I says, I don't care. I don't care. I mean, we get to still spend the whole day with him. You know, and then I get my me time all by myself tomorrow night, so I'm so excited for that. But then I'm just gonna, you know, I told him, I says, as long as you let me go couponing the next day. So we got that going on, but I am so excited, you guys. I got my cups. There's a project that I really want to work on, and I'm debating on like where to order my stuff from. Like there's Amazon, which would be the best way, but then I want something that's good quality. But I'm probably gonna wait and see what everybody thinks of what I've made first and see if I can get any orders. Like for me doing these projects, you guys, this is like my therapy. And one of you guys said, oh, you don't have to, when I make my cups range between $10 and $12. It just depends on how much work you need me to do and how much, you know, and then it's like $3 or $4 for shipping. So it's like I'm not out in it to make a huge profit. I just basically just want to pay for my supplies back, and then just a tiny little bit of my time is basically what I do for my cups. And then, you know, I can do signs for people and stuff, but I'm really trying to, you know, just get more stuff out there. And I think I'm gonna or business cards, and I might just get some other stuff here and there, but I'm pretty excited for, you know, things are getting better, and that's just my retail therapy. It really makes me relaxed. And as I'm cleaning the basement, I'm finding more and more stuff. So yeah, and I still haven't heard back from the guy with the Minion Mobile power car that we have. It's like, dude, if it doesn't work, then let me know. I'm not going to sit here and... It's been a week, almost a week. I think I sold it either Saturday or Sunday. I can't remember. And it's like, if it doesn't work, then... Because if he calls me after Sunday or messages me after Sunday, if it doesn't work, I'm not taking it back. I'm sorry. I gave you a warning on like Tuesday or Wednesday, but... Yes, I'm watching Fuller House right now. They just added those episodes, I think, the other day. So I've been watching that. I don't even know what episode I'm on. And then they added 13 Reasons Why. Now, 13 Reasons Why is a very sad show. If you guys have watched it, you know what I'm talking about. But it's the last and final season. But, you know, I do like it. It sucks of, you know, what happened in the first season and in the second season, but yeah. So I'm going to have a snack, 'cause I just realized I have some cookies that I got from Potbelly's, and I'm gonna lay down and relax and edit this video. So I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow. No idea what we're doing, but we're gonna have some family fun.